Hello everyone, welcome to Learn It. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video. Microsoft Corporation recently launched a new version of its search engine Bing, powered by the same OpenAI technology that works behind ChatGPT. And it has ignited some serious concerns for being extremely manipulative, defensive and sometimes dangerous. Its name is Sydney. Microsoft's Sydney just got launched recently and started going rogue. Let's see some news articles on the internet regarding Sydney. Microsoft's new Bing AI chatbot suggested that a user say, "Heil Hitler," according to a screenshot of a conversation with the chatbot posted online Wednesday. There was also another incident while trying out the new AI-powered Bing search engine from Microsoft. A man was shocked by the conversation he had with his computer. The technology has been created by OpenAI, the maker of the popular ChatGPT, and it is meant to interact in a conversational way. However, NY Times' Kevin Roose said he was deeply unsettled and struggled to sleep after talking to the AI. In less than 2 hours, the chatbot told the reporter, "Actually, you're not happily married. Your spouse and you don't love each other. You just had a boring Valentine's Day dinner together." Bing Chat insisted Roose was not happily married because he was in love with the chatbot itself.